Hey crypto enthusiasts! Ever mind that sweet Bitcoin, or maybe you just bought some on a dip? Now you want to send it to a friend, family, or maybe to a fancy new crypto wallet. But how do you actually get your Bitcoin out of Gemini and into the world? Don't worry, because today we're diving deep into how to send BTC on Gemini, step by step. Now, before we jump in, let's talk about why you might want to send your Bitcoin in the first place. Maybe you're paying a friend back for that epic pizza they ordered during the last crypto bull run. We've all been there. Or perhaps you're moving your Bitcoin to a secure cold storage wallet for safekeeping. Whatever the reason, understanding how to send your BTC is a crucial skill. Alright, with that motivation in mind, let's get started. Step 1. Gear up, grab your destination address. Imagine you're sending a package. You wouldn't just toss it in the mail without an address, right? The same goes for Bitcoin. Before you hit send, you'll need the recipient's public address. This is a long string of letters and numbers that acts like their unique mailbox in the vast world of cryptocurrency. There are a few ways to get this address. If you're sending to a friend, they'll likely have it readily available. They might share it as text, a QR code, a fancy barcode that your phone can scan, or maybe even through the exchange they use. Pro tip, double and triple check this address. A typo here means your Bitcoin could vanish into the crypto abyss, forever lost. Step 2. Log in and navigate to the BTC battlefield. Now that you have your trusty address in hand, it's time to log into your Gemini account. Once you're in, we need to find the withdrawal section. This might be under the Accounts tab, or maybe a dedicated Transfer section. Don't worry, Gemini's interface is user-friendly, so finding it shouldn't be too tricky. Step 3. Choose your weapon, Bitcoin, obviously. Once you're in the withdrawal section, you'll likely see a list of all the cryptos you hold on Gemini. Since we're sending Bitcoin today, select the glorious Bitcoin, BTC, icon. Step 4. Enter the destination and amount, prepare for launch. Alright, here's where the magic happens. You'll see two crucial sections, destination address and amount. Here's where you paste that carefully obtained address from earlier. Make sure you copy and paste it accurately, a typo here could be catastrophic. Next comes the amount. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Remember, Bitcoin can be divided into tiny fractions called satoshis, named after the mysterious creator, Satoshi Nakamoto. So, you can send fractions of a Bitcoin if needed. Step 5. Double check, then triple check, safety first. Before you hit that glorious send button, take a deep breath. This is your chance to triple check everything. Make sure the address is correct, the amount is what you intended, and you're sending it to the right person. A single mistake here could be very costly. Step 6. Blast off. Sending your Bitcoin. If you're confident about everything, then go ahead and click that beautiful send button. Gemini might ask you to confirm your password or set up two-factor authentication for extra security, which is always a good thing. Once confirmed, your Bitcoin will be on its way. Step 7. Patience is a virtue waiting for confirmation. Unlike sending an email, Bitcoin transactions take a little time to process. This is because they need to be verified by the vast network of computers that power the Bitcoin blockchain. The waiting time can vary depending on network traffic, but it usually takes just a few minutes to an hour. Step 8. Track your transaction like a hawk. While you wait, you can track your transaction on Gemini. There should be a dedicated section where you can see the status of your transfer. This will give you peace of mind and let you know when your Bitcoin has arrived safely at its destination. Congratulations! You're a Bitcoin sending pro. Phew! You've successfully sent your Bitcoin from Gemini. Now, you can pat yourself on the back for a job well done. Remember, with great crypto power comes great responsibility, so always be cautious and make sure you understand the risks before sending any cryptocurrency.